Rob, lawmakers in Washington are back at it in the effort to agree on a second COVID-19 stimulus package. But local residents and leaders at the city and state level say they'd better hurry with the CDC's COVID-19 eviction moratorium and Ohio's window to use federal funds closing in just 1 month.
We need some additional help. This is an emergency, and it's not one or two people.
Danielle Robinson says she will lose her South Euclid apartment when the CDC's eviction moratorium expires at the end of the year. Because of COVID-19, she says she can't make enough money to keep up with the rent. And if she loses her apartment, she's not sure where she will live.
It's a worry of mine from morning, noon, and night. How food is going to get bought. How you're just going to live.
Danielle and thousands of other local renters are hoping the federal government will extend the eviction moratorium as COVID-19 cases continue to spike.
6 months will be good because the vaccines are still in trial stages.
People are already hurting in this country and hurting in a major way in Cleveland.
Larry Bressler, coordinator with End Poverty Now, says the best way to extend the eviction moratorium is for leaders in Washington to approve a second COVID-19 stimulus package before the end of the year.
It's interconnected ultimately for the tenants, but it's also interconnected for the landlords with their supplemental assistance to them, particularly the mom and pop landlords.
The need for immediate additional relief so dire, Ohio Attorney General Dave Yost and attorneys general in 42 states signing this letter sent to Washington, urging them to put politics aside and approve a new stimulus plan or create an extension, since restrictions on current federal funding limits the money's use to expenses incurred between March 1st and December 30th of this year.
And nobody asks your political persuasion when you show up in the ER or the ICU. This is a nonpartisan issue.
And Attorney General Yost and the National Association of Attorneys General say they're hoping the federal government will extend the State CARES Act spending deadline through all of 2021. Yost says by doing that nationwide, it will allow Ohio and other states to be more strategic in addressing a growing number of COVID-19 needs. I'm 5 on your side investigator Joe Paganakis.